Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you've had a fantastic day so far. For today's video, I'm sharing fall decorating ideas for your home. These ideas are just really easy and something to make your home more cozy for the fall season coming. Starting off, you'll see these candle holders with these huge candles in them, and they can be lit up, but I chose not to because they have a really strong scent to them, and I'm trying not to have a lot of scents around because I have a baby and I'm looking for some LED candles that size. So if you know of any, just let me know in the comments below, and I really appreciate that. The next step is this leaf bowl, and I thought this was perfect to add these acorns. These acorns are from At Home Store. These acorns are very popular this year. I know a lot of people have been posting them on Instagram and YouTube videos, so I'm very happy I got my hands on them thanks to my mom. She's the one that bought me a box of them because I don't have an at-home store in my area. Coming from the entryway, this is the dining room, the next room you'll see walking into the house. This is one of the favorite rooms in the house for sure because I love that we can all gather here. There's a lot of space, and then there's a lot of beautiful lighting in here, and then when I open the windows, it's so beautiful. All the sun hits in, and I'm filming this at night, so that's why I had to turn on all the lights. Every year, I love taking the Z Gallery pumpkins out because they are just so glam and so beautiful. Adding pumpkins and grapes to the table just give it that fall vibe, and I absolutely love it. I got my hands on these Z Gallery grapes as well at the end of the season because they were on sale at such a great price. I don't remember exactly how much, but I know they were such a good price. I didn't go crazy this year with adding new pumpkins to the decor because I just love these so much, and these are just a statement piece here, and I want to have things that I just want to have years to come and not just for the moment. I have this cake stand here from HomeGoods, and on top of that I added the grape clusters, and I have 3 sets of them, and I'm going to give you a close-up to show you the detail. They're just like the Z Gallery pumpkins. Another decor item that I love having out year long are these Magnolia Stems from Z Gallery. I found some last year from HomeGoods, so I combined them together, and I just really like how they look, and you can't go wrong with beautiful flowers like these because they make such a statement. Adding a fall wreath to the door or anywhere in your home just automatically adds that fall vibe. I love this wreath. I got it last year as well, and I did invest in it a little bit because I knew I wanted it for years to come, and I just love all these white pumpkins on it because it's a neutral and just all the different textures. This wreath has little gems and pearls all around it. I just love that detail, and I'll give you a close-up here of how they look like. And here's how cozy it looks when all the lights are turned off. I did add LED lights from the Dollar Tree, the string lights, and they work really good. I have 3 sets in here because this wreath is pretty big, so I'll give you a close-up here of what it looks like. So this is a super easy and affordable way to update your wreath if you want to add the lighting. Another way to make your home more cozy is adding throw pillows and throw blankets on your bench if you have an entryway or just wherever in the home. This throw blanket is from Ross, and I bought it last year, and I just love this faux fur trim it has on it because the quality is really nice. If you touch it or something, it doesn't fall out like a whole bunch of other blankets or pillows. The silver pumpkin pillow is from HomeGoods. I purchased it last year, but I did see it this year in stores in gold. I also had it in gold, but I did return it because this color just works better in the home. So here's another close-up of how everything came out in the entryway. Make sure you have your bell turned on so you can be notified every time I upload a video, because I will be doing my fall home tour soon and I'm so excited to share that with you guys. Let me know in the comments if you want to see it this week or if you want to see it the first day of fall. For the setup that I have here on the counter, I didn't want to add any pumpkins on top of them because I didn't want to overdo it with the pumpkins since they are scattered around the house. I definitely love Glam and all the sparkles, so I had all these plates and I just combined different ones because of all the texture and shapes, and I just love how it came out. All of the glassware here is from HomeGoods, and I didn't just buy it in one occasion or two. It took many trips to HomeGoods in different seasons, so I'm really happy with having this set here. And I wanted to make a beautiful arrangement for the fall season. I wanted to show off the Z Gallery pumpkins and the grape clusters, so I added it here on the counter to make it that beautiful arrangement. I used the ice bucket that I had from last year to incorporate these pumpkins. I added the wrapping inside so it can give it that fuller effect. It makes it look like everything is overflowing, which is the look I was going for. If you have a bowl or a nice bucket and you just have some pumpkins that you want to make stand out, this is definitely a beautiful statement way to incorporate them and then show them off in your home, and it just looks so exclusive that anybody would compliment it. This wraps up the video. Thank you all so much for watching and all your continued love and support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you part of that family as well. I'll talk to you in my next one.